Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create IMVU account. So let's get started. Begin by launching IMVU application. You can create your IMVU account with Apple, with Facebook, or join by email. In this video, I'm gonna continue with Facebook. Tap on it. Then tap on the continue button. Then select your gender by tapping on the avatar. Then choose hair, eyes, head, and skin tone. Once you're done, tap on the select clothing button at the bottom of your screen. Now select top, bottoms, shoes, accessories for your avatar. Once you're done, tap on the save look button at the bottom of your screen. Then enter your name, then enter your email, and then your birth date. Once you're done, tap on the done button, and then select join now button. And this is how you can create IMVU account. Thanks for watching Web Solution. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.